Hey guys, what's up, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, in today's video, we are going to create Instagram wall profile. You can see this photo on the screen. If you also want to learn such editing, then keep watching this video till the end. And if you have not subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Guys, first of all, you have to select the background. I have given the link of this background in the description. You can download it from there. Next, you have to go to add photo and select the screenshot of Instagram page. Now, you have to duplicate this photo and keep this photo on the side. And we will set this photo. Next, you have to go to the effects and select the negative effect. Next, go to the blend option and select the screen. Now, go to the adjust and increase the hue and also increase the contrast. So done. Then select this photo and set it on top of it. And go to erase option and click invert. Then select the brush. And now we have to replace this profile pic, like this. So that's it. And next, you have to add the model. Again you go to add photo and select the model. I have already cut this photo. If you want to learn how to cut the photo, then I have made a separate video on that. You can check it out. Now we just have to set this photo and go to shadow and select the position and change the position of shadow according to the lightings. Then click on adjust and increase the blur and decrease the opacity. So that's it guys. Hope you all enjoy the video. If you like this video, then please give a like, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.